I need to have a glow up. Let's go to Target. This section at Target is so beautiful. Like, look at how pretty this is. Ooh, I really like this one. I just want to try it to try it. Damn, shoddy. Listen, I'm in Los Angeles. I'm in LA for reasons I don't know. Is it bad to say I kind of missed it? It's not like I hate New York. I just really wanted to get a tan, okay? But bro, I look so crusty. I tanned today though, so I don't look that bad. But just know that I haven't washed my hair in 10 days. And if you're gonna call me disgusting, you can click off this channel right now because bitch, that's just scratching the surface. Just kidding. Today we're gonna go to Target, but not just like any Target. There's this like newer Target that's 41 minutes away, and we're gonna go there. Why? Because I have nothing better to do. I should probably like, find some hobbies or something, but I think going to Target is also a hobby. Yeah, we're gonna buy a bunch of self-care things and go shopping because I need to have a glow up. Well, I don't even know if it would be called a glow up. I need to maybe start taking care of myself a little bit, but it's not like I just like am gross, even though I literally just said I'm gross. It's like I've just been caught up with things, and for the past 3 weeks straight, I may have been going out every single day and just rotting, like deteriorating. Like I literally was like, oh my god, I should probably go get like my blood like drawn and like checked because I'm not doing well. Like I have rashes all over my body, not from like being gross, from like not taking care of myself. Okay, is that the same thing? No. You know what, I'm just gonna admit it. I haven't done my skincare routine in like 3 weeks. All right, and I haven't shaved in like 2 months. And I haven't washed my hair in 10 days. And I don't have my nails done or anything. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Even though mine has been going on for like 3 weeks now. But we're gonna fix it today, okay? Let's go to Target. That was a music video moment for Sterling. I am genuinely so excited to go to Target right now because the thing is, the Targets in New York aren't like Targets, they're like tiny, right? So it's like if you need to go get anything, might as well just like go to a corner store like Bodega or something like that. But oh my god, I'm so excited. We have to hit a Starbucks. It's gonna be fun. Alright, first stop is Starbucks. Yo, I already met a subscriber here like 2 seconds into walking in here, which is crazy, but shout out to you, Aline. But we're at Starbucks right now. This is so bougie. I'm just gonna get a cold brew because I low-key need to get my personality back because I don't know about you, but whenever I'm in the sun for a while, I literally become like dead. Hi. Could I just get a small iced cold brew, please? Although I'm getting Starbucks, at least I'm getting just coffee. I just met another subscriber literally like 2 seconds after. What the heck? Damn, Targets really be it. You know what's actually so crazy is like I don't realize it like that my subscriber count is going up. I never really process the amount of people that watch me. Like I kind of just stop looking at it because in my head I'm literally just talking to one person. But I forget that the more people that are subscribed, the more people that I'm gonna meet. But it's actually crazy because every time I go outside now, I meet so many of you guys and it's like actually insane. It sounds like I'm like sucking my own dick, but like I deadass like can't go outside with like meeting any of you guys. No, but I love it though. It's actually the best. Like I love meeting you guys, but it's actually crazy how many people that I'll meet when I go outside now because like I don't realize that people watch me, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Sorry, I'm so awkward right now because the subscriber is still watching, so shout out to you, Nikki. Oh my god, I love meeting you guys. I just get so scared because I'm like, what if I'm awkward and then you guys think I'm mean? Oh my god, this section at Target is so beautiful. Like I've never seen a Target so pretty. What the f— I don't know about you, but like displays, packaging, organization, it just really hits the spot for me. This is so pretty. And especially since it's like beauty, skincare. Oh my god. I love Coco Kind. Coco Kind is one of my favorite brands. I worked with them a while back, but their jelly cleanser, I used this all and I ran out of it. It's really good. Ooh, I want to get a body scrub, but I don't know which one I want. There are these like Shea Moisture ones, which I've used before. Virgin coconut oil, sugar scrub. But I think I want to get like those ones that I see on TikTok. Y'all know what I mean? Hold on, let's find it. Like, look at how pretty this is. It's just like in a box. Oh my god. Exfoliating sugar scrubs, what do? You like break them up and put them on your skin. It says it's perfectly portioned. Bitch, this is not enough for me. Oh my god, a whipped sugar scrub? What the fuck? This reminds me of like those like, do you know the ones where it's like the Truly ones where it's like for your titties? Should I get white tea and aloe or should I get lavender? I'm thinking like lavender. I feel like it'll be easier to like match different scents with lavender. To the cart. Oh my god, wait, look at this. A shower steamer. I think you're supposed to put this like at the bottom of your shower and it'll like steam up and smell good. I don't know. We're gonna get it though. This is by the brand Anihana. I've never seen it before. Oh my god. Bath bombs. Look at this. It's like an avocado. And there's a rainbow. I don't know what I want to get. Should I have a bath? I think I should have a bath. A peach smoothie. I want to get a peach smoothie. Makuhana honey. I don't know why, but I really like this packaging, so we're going to go with this one. They have a cotton candy one. Not gonna lie, this smells like so artificial. I don't really like it. Let's smell the strawberry one. Ooh, I really like this one. Maybe we'll get strawberry. Fuck it. Do I like just not go with the theme and just get whatever I want? I think that's the vibe. Tropic Glow. Ooh, this one smells really good too. Fuck, I can't decide. Look at this. Ooh, I like this one a lot. Look at it, it has like little watermelon seeds. You know what, I'm gonna go with Tropic Glow. Would get a face mask, but I actually brought quite a bit with me, so we're not gonna get one. But if I were to get one, you know which one I would get? I would get this one, this animal one. I don't know why, but I love anything peach. This juicy peach beach, I wanna get it, but we already have so many at home. In this like mini beauty bar, I just found this. It's called a B12 Awake patch. You like put it on you and it gives you B12 and green tea extract. Let's try it. I've never seen that before. Yo, we getting too crazy out here. Look at this. Booty mask, titty mask. Oh my god. You know, I would get it and try it on camera, but I think I would get demonetized at that point, so maybe we'll leave it to another time. But what the fuck? I don't know about you, but as a kid growing up, I was addicted to these like Biore nose strips, but apparently they don't do anything, so I stopped using them. But oh my god, I've seen like Starface all over my feed before, because I swear like so many influencers get sent it and use it, but I've never been sent it. They're so cute, you know what I mean? But I don't need it. I don't need it. They can send me if they want that free promotion. But it's so cool seeing in Target how like there's so many brands that like I see online in store, because I feel like Target's just really stepping up their game. And if you're from Canada and you don't have Target or like anywhere else, I'm telling you, you're missing out, because I'm from Canada and we didn't have a Target. Well, we used to until they went bankrupt. Target, I've already been here for 30 minutes. Haven't even gone through all the sections yet. Not even one section. I do need more hair ties though, so we're gonna get some. I don't know about you, but I literally lose them all. Oh my god, I love the smell of sunscreen. Sorry that I won't shut up, but like I could look around and make a comment about everything. I love the smell of sunscreen. If y'all want to know what my favorite sunscreens are, none of them are here. Ulta MD one, I'll insert it on screen, is my favorite. I'm looking at these like gummies and I'm like, oh my god, do I need them? Do I need these probiotics? I don't, but I just feel like I want them. Y'all remember when Kylie Jenner, this was when Kylie Jenner was in her best era, was when she was promoting these, not gonna lie. No way. They have patches for going out on a night out. No fucking way. And going to sleep. This is so cool. This would have been helpful like a week ago. This fucking gives me like PTSD. Not actually, but like this is this lip balm that this guy keeps fucking applying. Now I told y'all, I don't know if y'all remember, that this guy applies lip balm maybe 100 million times a day. It's that lip balm. Dry Skin Gel by Bio Oil. Amelia literally used Bio Oil like crazy, and I'm like, she's a hot girl, I want to use this. Like, will I be a hot girl if I use it? Oh my god, I saw people using the Aquaphor Advanced Ointment Body Spray after the shower, and I kind of want to use it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Do I need it? No, but don't need a lot of things in life, but it fucking helps though. Y'all remember when EOS had everyone in a fucking chokehold? You would like switch your caps with like your friends and stuff like that. Well, now they're doing it on their own. Ugh. EOS was a moment. This Maui Moisture Hair Care, they have this at Walmart as well. This is actually really good for your hair. It has like no sulfates, no silicones and stuff like that. So if you're looking for an affordable one, you could try this. Oh my god, these are literally my favorite hairbrushes. Mine is so crusty though, but I don't want to buy a new one because I'm like, that's so much waste. But at the same time, mine is actually disgusting. Like, it's so gross. And I'm like, should I get a new one? But I'm like, no, I don't want to get a new one. But at the same time, I'm like, girl, you really need to get a new one. Look at this Go Green one. Should I get this one or should I get the black one? Oh, this is made from plant-based plastic. That's cool. Unfortunately, it is also $10 more. So we're gonna get this black one. Anyways, while we're at it, this video is sponsored by Function of Beauty. I'm kidding. Every YouTuber is sponsored by Function of Beauty. I actually did a Function of Beauty ad like 2 years ago. So they're still trying to sponsor me, like, hit me up. It's so cool that they have like these things now. You basically just like grab one of these and it's like a base, and then basically you can grab whatever you want. There's like deep condition, volumize, color protection, curl definition, and then you like squirt it in your bottle and it becomes like your own custom mixture. I don't know if it's good though, but not an old man literally watching me talk to myself in the tampon aisle. Make sure to subscribe though, because I know that 40% of you watching this video aren't subscribed. How do I know that? It's because I can click on your profile and see if you're subscribed to me or not if you comment. So comment down below if you're subscribed and I will like your comment because I can check. Anyways, please subscribe. Don't tell me that I'm literally talking to myself in the tampon aisle for you not to subscribe. If you're gonna take one thing from this video, it's the fact that you need to hop on the coochie cup grind. I call it a coochie cup. It's a diva cup. I literally, oh my god, so many men are walking by looking at me talk myself in the fucking tampon aisle. TMI, not TMI. I have the heaviest flow ever, and I can go through like 5 Super Plus tampons in the span of like a couple hours. Like, I go through packs, bro. I don't know what's wrong with me. Nothing's wrong with me. Everybody is beautiful. Everybody's different. But once I got on the coochie cup grind, you have to like fold it and put it up there. I know that seems really intimidating, but it's super soft. You don't feel a thing. Like, it doesn't hurt at all, and it holds so much. I never leak. It's reusable. Get on the coochie cup grind. I'm telling you. Where's my coochie cup sponsor? Okay. Okay, I saw my girl Ashley Ray Ridge on YouTube buy this. They're libido like vitamins, and basically she was saying how like as if I could not overshare even more, she was saying that like she just like couldn't get into it when like that time came, and that she's read that like this worked and it actually really worked for her. And like I literally don't kiss boys, like y'all know that I'm actually, my love life is so dry, but I just want to try it to try it. Why am I getting this? Because it's not my issue, like I don't have an issue, but I just want to try it for fun, you know what I mean? But now while I'm at it, I'm like, stimulate your desire. I'm like, do I get these Nature Bounty gummies? I literally have used these so many times, but I just always forget about them. But I'm like, if it's in a mini pack, maybe I'll be motivated, you know? I'm just gonna get it because it's in like a mini little pack and I think it'll motivate me. Literally, why am I buying this? There's no reason for me to buy this. Oh my god, these had me in a motherfucking chokehold. I would eat like 10 of these a day even though it's not good for me. They had like the sour ones too. These are the best gummies. Can I buy them? Children's? Why can't I? I don't give a fuck if it's for kids. I'm getting it. I kind of want to get a mouthwash for fun, but I'm like, girl, you are literally traveling right now. Like, you don't need to buy a whole ass mouthwash. Wait, look, they have a mini size. We're gonna get this mini size one. TheraBreath Oral Rinse. I hope y'all realize that I literally put on a full fucking performance for y'all in front of that dude. This Olay body wash fucked me up. I literally have gone through I think 3 of these now. So good. Y'all need to try it. I literally brought this full size thing to LA with me because I love them. Look at this dog. He's just vibing. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Should we give him a treat? Good boy. Razors, I actually brought one with me. I did a brand deal with Venus Gillette, but they're actually my fucking favorite. This, I'm telling you, this trimmer is the best. If you don't like to shave, get a trimmer because it literally looks like you shaved, but it doesn't irritate your skin at all. And it's so fast, and you don't have to take a bath or a shower to do it. But this is the razor that I brought, by the way. This is the best razor ever. Okay, I think I got everything that I need. I'm just like looking around. I'm like, is there anything else I want to buy? Do I need this? No. Do I want it? Hand mask? Yeah. I was with this guy, not with him. Ooh, whoa. I was hanging out with this guy and he was like, you have really nice nail beds. And I was like, thanks. He also had a foot fetish. He had a foot fetish, and then I made him feel better because I was like, oh, do you know 1 in every 5 guys have a foot fetish? Like, it's so normal. I mean, it is, but like at the same time, I just be getting guys to admit to things that they usually wouldn't admit to, you know? I'm terrible. I'm really not though. It's a safe space here. Oh my god, look at these little nails. Do I want to get fake nails just in case I have like an event to go to and I need them, like just to always have them in my purse? I feel like this could be a vibe. I feel like this is just me wanting to spend money. I'm just gonna get them. Just in case. Do I get the sparkly ones or do I get the regular white ones? I think I get these with the sparkle because if I don't want sparkle, I can just not use the sparkle. Smart thinking, bitch. Also, I've been trying to like be that girl and like have everything in my bag, which like I have a fat ass bag with me right now, but I also have my laptop with me. I want to be the girl with the fat ass purse that has everything you could possibly need though, you know? You need fake nails? Gotcha, bitch. Oh, I need to get away from the travel section. I'm literally eyeing it down right now as if I need something. I don't need shit. Guys, I should leave Target. I should actually leave Target. Like, I'm down the tampon aisle. Do I need to be down here? No. Am I on my fucking period? No. I gotta go before I spend money on more dumb shit. Damn, Shotty, what the fuck? Whatever. Self-care. Dude, bro, these cameras always do me so fucking dirty.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.